Wing Fingers. I swear, there is a fast food joint for everything. So this is called Wing Fingers. I've never heard of them before, but I thought, why not give them a try? So they have a couple different kinds of wing fingers. Ooh, those are big. I got the snack. So there's 2 of these wing fingers, bread, and fries, and a sauce. So this must be the traditional wing fingers. Let's check these out. Woo. These are actually pretty good. Mm. They love those Texas toast kind of stuff, huh? Those crinkle fries are salty. So I got that. Then I also got the mojito ones, which are a lot smaller, but it's grilled chicken. Man, it is a lot smaller. This might be the same sauce. Yeah, it's just a piece of grilled chicken. I will say, I definitely like the traditional better. I sure do. Give me back that traditional. It is so much bigger too. The breading's good. The sauce is good. I like this. I just wish the fries were not as salty. Texas bread. Okay. I wonder how their sweet tea is. Let's see. Wing fingers. I get kind of an artificial taste. I'm not a no. I'm not a fan of their sweet tea. So I will stick with the original wing fingers. And not get a sweet tea next time. But yeah, they also had salads and sandwiches and things, I think. But I wanted to try the classic first, so check them out. I don't know where they are. There's one right here, but check them out if you ever see one. I think I'm on like this fast food journey right now. But we'll see where it takes me next.